Hi everybody, this is Felicia and I am here with an unboxing. Yes, an unboxing on some new goodies here that I received from a company called BeeBee Craft. So let me tell you a little bit about the company. The company is an online store where it contains a bunch of craft supplies. I mean, anywhere from putting jewelry together to scrapbooking to painting to quilling. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you click on the link down below, because I'm going to be leaving that down below, and then you can check out everything. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to be doing a unboxing of some dies that I had received from BeeBee Craft. So I'm going to open this up here. I opened it already, but I didn't open it. So I'm going to pick it out because I haven't really looked at what they look like. That tape on it. Take the tape off. Whoop. Okay. Oh, let me cut the tape. Right. Ooh, wow, these are really, really nice. Okay, so we have the first set of dies here. And let me open it. Oh, I love this. Oh, these are heavy too. Very good quality, by the way. So in this package here, we have, and I know, let me see how to open this. I'm going to open that. Oh wow. Oh, this is awesome. This is a nice set of dies for the price, by the way. So the first die is a doily shaped die. You can see that. And I'm putting my hand here so you can actually see how big this die is. Take a look at that. That's a nice size die. And then we have a heart with a bunch of little hearts in it. And this is pretty cool because if you punch out this heart, you're going to also get a bunch of little hearts, and that could be kind of like your heart confetti right there. So I'm going to put it in my hand so you can see the size. And then the next die here, it looks like another doily with a star shaped here in the middle, it looks like. And it's connected. So I think you can unconnect them or leave them connected. So I'm putting my hand so you can see the size of this die. Okay. And then the next die looks like a star/snowflake, which I really like that. You can see how big this is. That's pretty big. And then the next one is a bigger heart with a solid inside here. And this is really nice too. You can see the outline. This is a lot of dies, you guys, and you're going to be surprised at how much I paid for these. Here's another one. This is a snowflake. You can see the size of the die. So that's the first set of dies. And now I'm going to open up the next set of dies here. I like how they packaged it to make sure that the dies don't get broken or anything like that. Don't you just love these unboxing videos? I do. Alright, so now we have the next set of dies here. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is, and you can see the company name right here, the BeeBee Craft. And so, I'm going to open that. And oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, so these are the nesting dies, and this is all awesome. So you can see the different shapes here, right here, of this right here, and you get a solid one in the middle, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different shapes all nesting inside of each other. And then here's another set of nesting dies, and these are more the rectangle. You can see that. Oh, this is going to be great. And then here's another set, which is awesome, of nesting dies, and each one of these shapes here have hearts in them. You can take a look at that and see that. Oh, this is going to be great. And then this is cool because this looks like the outside of a stamp. I really like this, and this is another set of the nesting dies. All right, so these are all of the dies that I have gotten. These are the nesting ones. And then here is the doily, the hearts, and the snowflake. And the snowflakes are right at the right time. So if you're interested in that, you can order those. So these are all of the dies here, and you're going to be surprised at how much I paid for all of these through the company. It was pretty much a good price, and it came to like I think about $40 and some change for all of these dies. And you can see the size of these dies, and they're very good quality American steel dies. So like I said, it's something that is worth ordering. And so now what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to be doing a layout. I'm going to show you how to use these dies, and I'm going to present what you can do with a set of these dies. Alrighty, so stay tuned.